Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be playing around with the brand new Colourpop Orange You Glad palette. I am so excited for this because I actually went to the Colourpop headquarters the other day and I got a little sneak peek of the collection, and that's how I have the palette right now. I'm actually filming this before like all the PR and stuff went out for the collection, so I just don't have like the actual unit cartons, like the boxes and stuff for the little bundles of the rest of the collection, but I actually have the products because they're like already existing products that are in the Colourpop line. They're just in like the cute little packaging and like the bundles and everything. I do have most of the collection, just not everything. I do get it in the mail, like the PR. I will insert little clips of like the packaging and everything, but I will be doing swatches as I'm going along talking about the products, so don't worry, I have swatches. First things first, please ignore my lips. I had an allergic reaction. What else is new? My lips are so freaking sensitive. They are allergic to everything, so my lips have been swollen for the last couple days. They're a little chapped, they're a little swollen. I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but I can tell and I can feel it. Also, if I seem a little down in this video, my mom is back in the hospital, so I spent the last couple days and nights at the hospital. So yeah, I wanted to just really sit down and play with makeup to get my mind off of things and maybe put me in a better mood than I have been in the last couple days because I've been really going through it. So new Colourpop always makes me super freaking happy, so I thought why not just sit down and film with this new collection because the package and everything makes me really happy. So yeah, let's stop talking about that before I start friggin' becoming a wreck. So yeah, let's just talk about this little collection and everything. I don't know pricing of everything at the moment, but I will leave everything listed down below in the description box. Start off first with the palette, and this is the Orange You Glad palette. The packaging, you guys, has just been on point lately. I love it so much. So this is just the unit carton. It looks the same as the palette, and when you open it up, we have all of these goodies in here. It is so pretty. I love this so much. This just, it speaks to me, you guys. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 true mattes. They are not like the mattes with like the glitter in it or anything like that. These are true mattes, 2 metallics and 1 pressed glitter, assuming that this will be the same price as all the other ones, which is $12, I believe. Next thing we have in the collection is the blush and light stick bundle. So in the bundle we have Under Pressure and Bullseye, and like I said, all the stuff in the collections already are existing shades. These two are actually 2 of my favorites from the blush and light sticks collection. I'm really happy that they put this in there. Next bundle we have is the Lippie Stick bundle, and in this one we have Parker and Chi Chi. These are both matte Lippie Sticks. I love Parker. I have used this one before and I really do like this shade a lot. I don't think I've used Chi Chi before, but Parker I have, and it's a really pretty color. It's what I have on my lips right now. So the next thing that we have is a So Juicy bundle, and in the bundle we have Vava Voom and She's Here. Vava Voom is actually the shade that I wore in the campaign for the So Juicy glosses, so I was super excited to see that one in the collection. Next thing we have is a Super Shock Shadow Foursome. Foursome we have Flipper, Monkey Business, Bumblebee, and Let Me Pass. The last thing, and probably my thing that I'm most excited for again, is the brush bundle. That also did one in the yellow collection, and I thought it was such a good thing to put in the collection because that brush bundle was bomb and so good for the price. I think it was 20 bucks for the entire bundle. Assuming this one will be the same or either around the same price, but I think it's such a good price for the brushes. Either way, I definitely think that that is a go-to because brushes are really good, and the most underrated Colourpop products, their brushes are actually really, really good. So I definitely love that they put another brush bundle in here. So that's pretty much everything in this collection. If they do end up adding anything else in this collection, I'll let you guys know. I was told that this was launching on Wednesday or Thursday. I'm not sure. They usually do launch on Thursdays, but I don't know. This collection will be launching whatever day. I put it right here on the screen. I'm filming this super early, like I'm literally filming this before they've even announced the collection, so I really don't have too much information. I wanted to get this video up for you guys. I know you guys love my Colourpop collection reviews and everything like that. So I hope that this little information segment part of it was somewhat helpful, because I know I'm kind of like all over the place right now. If you guys want to see this collection in action, see how I got this look right here, and just hear my little review on the entire collection as well, then just keep watching. Okay, so I went ahead and just primed my eyes really quick. I just used the Anastasia primer. I also just put on some foundation really quick just to cover up some of the redness from my lips being swollen right now. So we're gonna just go ahead and jump into the palette. This is the little packaging. It's super cute. This is the inside. I'm really excited for this palette just because it has some like really bright oranges, which I love. I'm gonna start off with the shade Zested, this light creamsicle color almost. Actually, there's a shade called Creamsicle, so it's actually not like that. It's just like a really light transition shade. So I'm gonna start off with this. And I'm just going to place that down and just blend that up to the brow bone. Just packing it on and blending it out. It's like a really nice warm transition shade. And once I just have that down, I'm going to jump into another shade. And I think I'm going to go in the shade Sunkissed, which is this shade right here. This is just like a really nice bright orange shade. I mean, they're all oranges, but this one is just like a very bright orange. I don't know, it's like the color of an orange. So I'm just gonna do the same thing. Ooh, this is really nice. It does have a little bit of fallout. I'm just gonna tap some of the excess off because I do have foundation on already, so I don't really feel like dealing with, you know, fallout today. But this shade is really nice. It's actually packing on really nicely. It's blending out already super easily, so I like this. It's actually pretty bright. I wouldn't say it's like neon, but it's definitely really bright. It's really nice and pigmented right away. I didn't really have to pack on too much. So I'm gonna go into the shade Mimosa Mommy, and it's this bright neon. I don't even know like what color this is. I want to say it's like a hot orange color, but it is so pretty, so I really want to use it. So I'm taking the Colourpop tapered blending brush. See how like it's almost like a reddish orange. I don't know, it's really pretty. So let's pack this on. And this is one of the brushes I believe that is in the bundle. Ooh, that is so pretty. I knew from like when I swatched this color that I was gonna be like obsessed with it. It's so nice. And it blends out really nicely. It just is really pigmented. And this one does look pretty neon. Like, it's not as neon as like a neon pigment or something like that, but it's definitely really bright. Just packing that on into the outer corner, into the crease, just blending that out. I'm not really finding that this shadow has too much fallout either. Like, I had a little bit of fallout with the other shade, but this one not so much. There's not even really any kickback in the palette with that shade either, so it's really nice. So I really like this. I think I'm gonna just keep it at that. There is like a darker brown, like rusty brown shade in here. I want to keep it pretty bright, so I don't really want to tone it down with any like neutralier shades, you know? So I want to keep it really nice and vibrant, very neon. Go into the shade Squeeze Me, and it's this middle shade up here. I think I'm just going to take this. This is a large shader brush, I believe, which I also believe is in the bundle. I don't know, because there's numbers on here and not names, and like the names are on the website and not the numbers, if that makes sense. So I don't know which one it is, but I'm just taking that on a flat brush, and I think I'm actually going to wet it a little bit just because I want this to really pop and be nice and metallic. Spray it a little bit. And I'm just going to pop that on the lid. Ooh, yes. Oh my god, this is so pretty. And this, I love orange because you guys know I love like spooky season, Halloween, all that stuff. And I feel like orange is so like universal, where like I can wear this in the summer and it would be like a really pretty bright orangey summer look, but then I could also wear this in like fall and be like, wow, she looks like a pumpkin and she's ready for spooky season. I remember last year I did like a bright neon orange and black look. One of my favorite looks that I've ever done, so it's really giving me like, this is the vibe that I'm getting from it right now. It's gonna be a really good palette for me, for not only like right now in summertime, but also when it comes towards like Halloween and stuff. I'm gonna take my finger and actually take that a little higher up into the crease and kind of just blend it in with the other shades. I'm gonna go back with the Mimosa Mommy shade and just blend that into the lid shade. So I just went ahead and added my concealer, and I put some bronzer on really quick. So we're gonna move on to the little blush in Lippie Stix Duo. So in the Duo we have Under Pressure and Bullseye. This one is like a really pretty peachy orangey corally shade. So this is actually one of my favorites out of the blush sticks. So I'm taking it on a duo fiber face brush. This is the F9 from Colourpop, and I'm just gonna kind of graze the top like this. I don't really know how to explain how I use these, but that's what I do. I just kind of graze the top, kind of get it all nice and coated. I like to use duo fiber brushes for cream blushes. Just smile and stipple it on just like that. I like to swirl it around. I just like to dab 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 and leave it at that. So that is a pretty good amount. I don't want to add too much. And for the light stick, so the highlighter, this one is Bullseye. I think I'm just going to take my finger and apply it with my finger, just because I feel like I like the way it applies like this. And then I will just dab it on like so. And then with the brush that I use the blush with it, I just kind of will blend out the edges and kind of blend it in with that, just so everything's nice and seamless. Done with that, I'm just gonna go ahead and contour my nose really quick. While I'm baking, let's just go ahead and finish up the eyes. I actually forgot that I wanted to use the pressed glitter in the palette, which is Clementine. It's such a pretty shade, so I'm gonna take a little bit of that and I'm gonna just pop that on top of where we put the shimmer shade. So I'm just gonna press that on top. Got a lot of comments from the yellow palette that had the pressed glitters in there, saying that the glitters were not eye safe. It says it on the packaging, and I understand. I know I typically don't even like to use these kind of glitters on my eyes, but all pressed glitters, cosmetic glitters, they all say the same thing. Usually don't use like too much anyway, but this one is a little bit chunkier though, like a chunkier glitter, so just be careful. If you don't want to use it on your eyes, you don't have to. I think for my waterline, this isn't part of the collection, but I kind of want to take a yellow eyeliner and just put that in my waterline. They do have an orange one, but I just kind of want to add yellow because yellow makes me happy and I'm not in like the best mood, so let's just add a little bit of that. For the lower lash line, I think I'm just going to take the Sunkissed shade and Mimosa Mommy shade and mix those two and just put that on my lower lash line. I'm going to go ahead and put on some lashes, mascara, all that good stuff, and then I'll come back and finish off the look with the lip products. I don't know what I'm going to use yet because my lips are freaking swollen and they hurt. So I don't know yet, but we will decide when it comes to that, so I will be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and just applied some lashes. These are the Time Los Angeles Minky lashes. I've been wearing these a lot lately because they're super like natural, and I just been kind of like over lashes right now, but also my lashes are like kind of look like crap right now as well, like my normal lashes. So these ones give me like natural vibes, but also you guys look at how cute. She's like literally asleep over here. I didn't even know she was there. Moving on, I actually wanted to use this really quick because I used it the other day because one of you guys told me to put this in my inner corner, but this is the shade Tassel. It's from the Halo Top collection with Colourpop, and I guess this was already an existing shade. I've never tried it, I don't think I've ever had this one, but this is what it looks like. Doesn't look like much in the little pot, but you guys, this is like the prettiest inner corner highlight ever. I don't even know if it like really goes with this look, but I'm using it anyway. It came in the little mint chip bundle. I believe my like new go-to inner corner highlight. Isn't that like not the prettiest freaking inner corner highlight ever? Okay. So in the collection we have two lip bundles. One of them is the So Juicy lip bundle, and in there we have Va Va Boom and She's Here. Now I love the So Juicy glosses. Probably shouldn't be using a plumping gloss while my lips are still healing from the swelling from my allergic reaction. But I have been asked this before because I have mentioned I can't use plumping glosses or pretty much any lip balm or chapstick because I'm allergic to something in it, but These ones actually don't bother my lips, so on a normal day I would use these. I probably would be using Lava Voom because I love this one, but we're gonna put those aside for today. So then we have the Lippie Stix bundle. Here we have Chi Chi and Parker. Chi Chi is like a really pretty bright reddish orange, and then we have Parker, which is more of like a warm, you know, my favorite kind of shade. So I think I'm gonna use this, but I think I'm just gonna apply it with my fingers. I'll show you guys what it looks like regularly swatched. It's really nice, but I think I'm just gonna dab this on because I don't know, I don't really want to irritate my lips even more. Some lip balm on right now, my CO Bigelow one, just to like keep them hydrated, but yeah, dude, it's rough. Really pretty color. I love Parker. It goes really nicely with this eye look. All right, so this is the finished look. I love the bright orange. I'm here for it. Orange is just brings me back to like when I would only wear orange and warm tone eyeshadows. If you guys are not surprised, I do love this palette. I love all of the 9 pan palettes. They're just so good. My favorite. I use them so freaking much. They're just so easy because they have everything that you need in the palette. I'm someone that does so many monochromatic looks that I love that I can truly just grab one palette and do an entire look with it, especially bright and colorful. I love this one. Also think that the bundles in this collection too are really good. I think this is a really nice blush and light sticks. I think this works on a lot of different skin tones. Not so much maybe deeper skin tones, like the highlight possibly, but the blush I don't know. But I do like this little combo right here. The more I use the blush and light sticks, I like them more and more. I think that the shadows in the little Foursome Super Shock shadow Foursome are really nice. If you like the Super Shock shadows, definitely pick that up. I always recommend them. They're one of Colourpop's best products, and I feel like not that many people use the Super Shocks. I don't know why, because they're so good. Lippie Stick bundle is also really good. I love the shade Parker. It is just like that kind of shade that you can wear every single day. And then the So Juicy glosses are my fave, so I love those. The brush bundle, I'm assuming it's gonna be like the one from the yellow palette where it was like 20 bucks, and I think that's such a good deal. All in all, I definitely think that this collection is really cute. The packaging is to die for. Palette packaging, Orange You Glad, that is the cutest thing ever. I'm so happy that they did that for the name. It's so cute. I definitely recommend everything in this collection. Anything that you guys pick up you'll be happy with. So yeah, that is my little review on this collection. I thought this video was helpful for you guys. I know I'm kind of like all over the place. I'm like very scatterbrained right now. I will leave everything, all information, all that good stuff in the description box down below for you guys, so you guys can have all of that there. Leave a comment down below if you guys are gonna pick any of this up. What's your favorite thing in the collection? Just let me know. I like to talk to you guys in the comments. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.